If you clicked on this video, or this video happened to show up in your feed, it's not a coincidence. And I want to let you know that this year is your year. This is the year that things are going to change, right? This is the year that you are going to commit and put in the work to step up your grilling game. If you don't have a grilling game, you're going to establish a grilling game. And if you have a grilling game, then we're going to level you up in your grilling game, right? I'm not talking about last year. I'm not talking about meat that you burnt last year. I'm not talking about undercooked meat and talking about the kids' party. You was going to do something and it didn't go quite right. I'm not talking about that. You got to put that behind you. It's time to move forward. There's somebody out there, man, you had a bad experience and you ain't even been back to the grill, right? So whenever barbecue, you got to go ask your friends for barbecue and you got to go for a restaurant. I don't want you to stay there. Grilling, man, is something that you can do, but you got to be willing to put in the work. You got to be willing to put in the time, right? You got to respect the craft. If you struggling with hot dogs and hamburgers, Memorial Day, 4th of July, it's going to be here before you know it. And then you think you're going to come to this grill and cook up some chicken wings and some briskets and some ribs when you struggling with that? That's not how it works. You got to put in time on this grill. There's an old saying, is that you stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So it's wintertime right now and I grill all year round. Part of it is that I love the craft, I love the grill, I love to serve my family, but I stay ready so I don't have to get ready. So come peak grilling season, Memorial Day, 4th of July, your wife come to you, your girl come to you, your husband come to you, hey, can you put some of this on the grill? Can you put some of that on the grill? Kids having a birthday party, babe. Can you fire up some burgers? I want you to be like, yeah, I got you, with confidence. And that confidence comes from you putting in work, right? That just doesn't happen overnight. So don't think that you can just come out to this grill, man, and it all click. It might not. But if it doesn't, the point is don't get frustrated, right? Just like in life, what you put in is what you get out a lot of times. So when you put in time on this grill, you're going to get back out what you put in, right? You reap what you sow. And the confidence that I'm coming from right now is because I've made mistakes on this grill, right? I've undercooked meat. I've burnt meat. I've over-seasoned meat. But man, it's not a failure. The only way it's a failure is if you don't learn from it, right? But if you learn from it, it's a learning experience. It's an opportunity to grow. So whoever I'm talking to today, this is time. Pull the cover off your grill, clean it up. If you don't have a grill, get you a grill. If you can't afford a grill, be resourceful. Man, I saw grills at the thrift store. You check Facebook Marketplace, people giving away grills. Right around your neighborhood the day before trash pickup day, people putting grills on the street. That's your opportunity. Bring it home, clean it up, make sure it's right, and let's get to work. I'm here every week, putting in work on this grill, if not multiple times a week. And I would love for you to join me. I would love for you to join me so we can work together. We can get your grilling game right. Then once we get it right, guess what? Iron sharpens iron. And every week we put in this work and we sharpen each other, right? I'm telling you what I'm learning. You telling me what you learning. And guess what? We both getting sharp. We both leveling up our grilling game. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you next week.